Oh, it's got for Wessex Blades. Thanks for joining me. It's a bit of a weird one. I've took a punt at a dehydrator, and because I like opening stuff on camera when I'm buying B grade or supplier I've not used before, just in case broken, wrong thing. So if it's destroyed to hell, this would come up as a video. If it's absolutely fine, the video may not come to be on the YouTube. I just want to open it on camera in case there's a claim. Okay, so this was I think a 7 layer, 5 or 7 layer dehydrator. It's just for doing fruit and beef jerky. It wasn't a very expensive one, but it was a one-off on sale, and it was B grade. So what I'm hoping is it's just a bust up box, and not that any of the plastic layer drawer things, vents, fan, cord, switch, none of that's broken is what I'm hoping. We'll see. So whether I've bought a pig in a poke, I don't know. But anyway, let's just see what we got. So it looked quite handsome, and if I remember, I bought a rectangular one with a vent as opposed to a round one, because you end up with not that efficient lay down of the thinly sliced food you're intending to dehydrate. So something small and twee, I think. Yes, small and twee. Nice compact West of England letter opener. I cope with that quite admirably. I'm quite impressed. They ought to be selling more of those, I think, in the administrative things, in Staples or that sort of thing. Oh, look at that, it really worked well. I'm quite impressed with that. So I would definitely advocate that in your stationery supplies. Sort of consortium, Staples, yeah, office supplies in general, very nice. So as I'm hoping, a bit of a ratty box, but hopefully inside the polystyrene not too battered. Let's have a look. So that's what it's there for, to take the, so hopefully it's just the packaging's a bit battered. Yes, and the underneath one is a bit smashed-y uppy, but it all fit in quite well. So it's, you know, just a bit bruised, as it were, the polystyrene. Okay, some of the drawers are collapsed down. That could be in transit. I'm hoping, and none of the individual layers, it's lost all the pips along the side for the rails. As I say, I could be opening, this could be a pig in a poke at the moment. That one looks okay. So I'm hoping it's just in transit. They look quite tough. So that's the second layer. Third layer. Yeah, rattling in every now is Hermes delivery. So you can imagine he's had a bit of a eventful journey. Yeah, it looks a little bit more robust than the really budget 5-layer round ones. And this one does have a fan as well, but no timer. But you're generally looking at 5 to 10 hours on these sort of things, so I'll be looking to do it at 10 o'clock in the morning through to 4, 5, 6, 7 o'clock at night. The layers look okay. It looks okay. So, is it, you know, is it straight? So, will the trays fit in nice? Is it kinked? And are the trays unsettled? It's just down to journey. It's looking good so far. Don't look broken at all. I generally try and get not the lowest version of things, something that looks a little bit more higher rate capability. So is it 7 trays? 7 trays rather than a 5 round one. Square. I mean, you know, you can arrange that. So because it's got a rear fan, the air and the moisture is getting pulled across, and a lot of them, I noticed the round ones, you've got a central thing, so you can't even use the area in the middle of the trays that you're stacking on, and they're stacked on top of each other, whereas these stack in the frame. So if you had this layer should come out, you can't do that on a stacker of 5 because you've got to take them all off. So, you know, if I realise that this one, these are dry, I can take this out and refill. So that, as a concept, looks to be okay. It must be expensive. It's got the blue LED. Looks very nice. Well, switch feels quite firm. Gluey gummy mark on the side, but I'm quite happy with that. Okay. A few marks. So maybe a returned item. A few gooey marks on it. I think we got away with it. So thanks for joining me. It looks like I've made it. Looks like I've got away with it. It looks very nice. B grade off of eBay, I think it was. Thanks for joining me. Not the normal sort of video today, but you know, it does pay if you bought something random one day, film me where you open it, so if you have a problem with a returns, you've opened it live on camera, you know. So yeah, I just heard it click there, so it looks, it's warm on the back. Awesome. So yeah, normally I'll put another video up for something more knife related, but I'll just show you something. There you go, there you go. It's got a knife in it. Right. Loads of blanks coming through. Quite what I do. Okay, gotta make some money by selling some stuff to get an order to ground flat stock for some more handle material, belts, etc, etc, because the handles on them are enormous, and I need to get full sheets of G10 or micar or hardwood in order to fit, because my handles are too big. So that's the plan this week. Thanks for joining me again, Scott, Wessex Blades 8. Thanks for your support. I think we got a bit of a winner. Awesome. Click. Ooh.